Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, the internet connection, it got disrupted, beta. Okay. If it happens, na, try to be patient. Okay. Just wait for the internet connection to resume. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है, वो internet connection disrupt हो गया था. So I was talking कि why if he is going to shelter this man, there was a fear of his arrest. Why, beta? Why,
They would
Dr.
be
Sadaf?
treated as traitor.
Yeah. Why? Because then he would be treated as traitor. Why? Because he has sheltered a prisoner of war. He has given shelter to an enemy. ओके अब एनिमी को कोई शेल्टर देगा तो कौन होगा? वो ट्रेटर ही होगा, देशद्रोही होगा ना. इसीलिए डॉक्टर सदाव हैड दिस फियर कि इफ वी आर गोइंग टू शेल्टर दिस मैन देन वी वुड बी अरेस्टेड. और फिर दूसरी तरफ इफ दे से डॉक्टर सदाव और रोहना कहते हैं कि if we are going to hand him over to the police, surely he will die. He would die. Why he would die? Because he was so badly injured, and the police, the army, would going to ill-treat this man for taking out the secrets of his country, isn't it? And you know the treatment that is done to the prisoners of war. मालूम है ना कैसा व्यवहार करा जाता है प्रिजनर्स ऑफ वॉर के साथ. तो ये तो वैसे ही बैडली वुंडेड था, तो कहते हैं यदि इसको हैंड ओवर करेंगे तो श्योरली ही वुड डाई. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The kindest
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. Ab Hannah कहती the best thing is that we should throw him again into the sea. But neither of them moved. See now, they were advising each other, okay, that the best thing is to do to throw him into the water. But both of them means neither of them, neither Dr. Sadao nor Hannah, had the courage to throw this man again into the sea. They were staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. Okay, a curious repulsion, a feeling of disliking, hatred was there, and they were just looking, at this inert figure. Inert is unconscious, unconscious. Write it. What is he? Hannah whispered. There is something about him that looks American, Sadao said. Okay. Now Hannah, he tries to find out who is he, what is he. तो कहती है Dr. Sadao, he answers कि something is there in him that shows that he is an American. And then what did he do? He took up the battered cap. Battered means the torn cap was there. He just picked it up. And what was there on the cap? Yes, there, almost gone, was the faint letters. Okay, in the faint letters, it was written, a sailor, okay, from an American warship. Means he spelled it out, US Navy. Clear? उस कैप पर लिखा हुआ था, तो इसका मतलब sure the man was a prisoner of war. Followed, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He has escaped, Hannah cried softly, and that is why he is wounded. Yes, Hannah was right. She says, yes, he is a prisoner of war, and he tried to escape when he was shot by the gun, and that is why he is very badly wounded in the back. Sadao agreed. They hesitated, looking at each other. Then Hannah said with resolution, okay, with determination, come, are we able to put him back into the sea? Okay. Hannah says, come on, are we able to put him back into the sea? Can we throw him again into the sea? If I'm able, are you? Sadao says, okay, fine, if I'm able to throw him into the sea, but will you be able to throw him? No, Hannah said. Hannah refuses. But if you can do it all alone, now see. She says, I cannot do it. You do it all alone. Sadao hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said, that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. अब सदाव हेजिटेट करता है और कहता है द स्ट्रेंज थिंग क्या है कि इफ द मैन वर होल, होल मीन्स अनवुंडेड होता वो, ओके, ही वुडंट हैव बीन वुंडेड, then surely without any difficulty I would have handed him to the army. Okay, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, you know, actually they were very kind-hearted people, बेटा. समझ में आया? यदि और कोई Japanese होता तो without giving him first aid, without treating him, है ना? कोई और Japanese होता तो he would have handed this prisoner of war to the army or to the police. But they were very kind people. They were very generous. They were very soft-hearted people. And moreover, he was a doctor. Dr. Sadao, you know, he was a doctor. He cannot let a man die, can he? No, he cannot. Okay. And even Hannah, being a woman, she was also kind-hearted. And that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. I care nothing for him. He's my enemy. All Americans are my enemy. And he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is. But since he is wounded, okay. Now he says, if this man, he wasn't injured, I would have handed him to the police without any difficulty. I don't care for him. I don't have any feelings for him, as he's my enemy and all Americans are my enemy. Okay. Now he's trying to give the clarification why he's not able to hand him. And then he says, look at him, he's the only common fellow, and see how foolish he looks from his face. But he says, since he's wounded and the sentence is incomplete, he says he's wounded, so you also cannot throw him back to the sea. Hannah said, okay. So Hannah कहती है, हाँ, इसका मतलब even you are not able to throw him back into the sea. Then there is only one thing to do. We must carry him into the house. तो कहती है, if we are not able to throw him into the sea, only one thing we can do, that we have to carry him into the house to give him treatment, to treat him, okay? But the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
they were interested to take him into the house, but what about the servants, they say, okay? What are we going to say to the servants, right? And the servants, when they will come to know better, surely they have this doubt that if once the servants, they come to know, they would report it to the police, and then everybody would be in danger, everybody's life would be in risk. Why? The children, the wife, their life would be ruined, as well as Dr. Sadao's life would be ruined, as he would be behind the bars. ठीक है? तो Sadao कहते हैं, what about
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
See what does Hannah says. We must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police. Okay, simple. हम उनको बता देंगे कि it was the intention to give him to the police, as indeed we must. Surely we will. Okay, we are determined to give Sadao. We must think of the children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. ना? और कहती है कि once this man is treated, she wants to say, then surely we have to give this man to the police. Otherwise, it would create a big danger for us, for me, for you, and for the children. Certainly, even surely, definitely, Sadao agrees. I would not think of doing anything else. कहता है, of course, I could not think of doing anything else. Okay, और कुछ करने की सोच नहीं सकता मैं, except after the treatment is given, after he has been taken care of, he must be handed over to the police. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now it's 10:30, so
Yes, ma'am.
this one
Ma'am?
we will do it on Monday. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi, क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, happy Teachers Day in advance.
Thank you. God
Ma'am,
bless
we
you.
are really missing
Yes, ma'am.
the
Happy
big
Teachers Day
party
in
of Teachers
advance.
Day.
Beta, we are really, even we are missing. Even I'm missing. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm
since the senior class, we are missing so much.
हाँ.
We
Lot
are
of throbbing.
even not dreamed.
Yes, lot of throbbing was there na, for the Teachers' Day preparation. You people used
Yes,
to come to
ma'am.
me, ma'am, what should we do? How to collect the money, this and that. Everything, even I'm missing it, beta. I'm missing a lot. Okay, even all the teachers, they must be missing, definitely.
Ma'am, we never dreamed it.
Ah, beta, we never dreamt of such a bad time. What to do? But still, we have to keep ourselves safe, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Take all the precautions, maintain the social distancing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, God
Thank you,
bless
ma'am.
you all. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.